Day 678 of doing a LeetCode problem every day until I get a job. All right, y'all, we're back again. Another day, another LeetCode problem where we're doing daily LeetCode problems. In a day, we have question number 3120. Count the number of special characters 1. The difficulty level is easy, but don't worry because you already know we're going to keep the solution as simple and easy to understand as possible. But before we get started, y'all, don't forget to like, hype, subscribe, comment, and share. And if you need any new Apple AirPods, go ahead and check out that link in the description so you can get you some. Now let's see what the question says. You are given a string word. A letter is called special if it appears both in lowercase and uppercase in Word. Return the number of special letters in Word. All right, y'all, so that sounds simple enough, but let's go ahead and take a look at these examples just to make sure that we are doing this problem correctly. So, in example 1, we have our input word equals a string lowercase a, capital A, lowercase c, capital B, capital C. The output is 3. It says the special characters in Word are A, B, and C. Once again, it says a character is called special if it appears in both lowercase and uppercase in Word. As you can see, A appears both lowercase and uppercase, B appears both lowercase and uppercase, and C as well also appears lowercase and uppercase. So these three letters are called special, and we want to return the number of special letters, not the special letters themselves. And in this case, there's 3, so that's why we return 3. Now, just in case that didn't make sense, let's take a look at example 2. So in example 2, our input word equals a string ABC. The output is 0. Explanation says no character in Word appears in uppercase. So as you can see here, we have the letters in lowercase, but not uppercase. And since they don't appear in both lowercase and uppercase, there's only in lowercase, then none of them are special, so the output is 0. Now let's take a look at example 3. So in example 3, our input word equals a string lowercase a, lowercase b, uppercase C, lowercase a, lowercase b. This time the output is 1. It says the only special character in Word is B. Boom. So as you can see, B is lowercase here, B is uppercase here. Boom. We have an uppercase C, but there's no lowercase c. We have a lowercase a, but there's no uppercase a. So B is the only letter that has both, once again, lowercase and uppercase, right? So that's why there's only one special letter in this string, and that's why the output is 1. So now that we understand the question, y'all, let's get into the fun part, the actual solution. Solution is not that difficult at all. Now, first thing we want to do is we're going to create an array, and we're going to use it to store the unique lowercase letters found in the word. So we're going to declare the variable called stack. Set that equal to an array of character, and we're going to put the parentheses like so. Boom. Now we need a counter for how many special characters we find. A special character is a letter that appears in both lowercase and uppercase from the string once again. So we need to keep count of that. We're going to declare a variable called count and set that equal to 0. Boom. Now for the first pass, we're going to iterate through each character in the word. So we're going to say for char in Word, we're going to open up the brackets, and we're going to check if the character is lowercase and ensure it hasn't already been added to the stack. So we're going to say if char dot is lowercase and 2 and sides, exclamation point stack dot contains, open up the parentheses, pass in char, then we'll come outside of that, open up the brackets, and we're going to store the lowercase characters so we can check it later by saying stack dot append, open up the parentheses, pass in char. Boom. Now for the second pass, we're going to iterate through the collected lowercase characters by coming right here, and we're going to say for char in stack. We're going to open up the brackets, and we're going to check if the uppercase version of the character also exists somewhere in the original word. So we're going to say if word dot contains, open up the parentheses, char dot uppercase, put the parentheses, come outside of that, we're going to open up the brackets, and if both lowercase and uppercase exist, we're going to increment the special character count by saying count plus equals 1. Now we just need to return the total number of special characters by coming right here, and we can say return count, y'all. Boom, that's all she wrote. Let's go ahead and give it a run. Make sure it runs properly. It's accepted, so let's go ahead and submit it. Make sure it's still accepted after we submit it. Boom, y'all, look at that. 0 milliseconds beats 100% of users. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I like to see, y'all. So with that being said, I hope y'all learned something today, and I hope to see y'all here tomorrow for another day, another LeetCode problem. See y'all then.